N8N versus Make versus Zapier. Let's start with N8N. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool great for developers, and it's self-hostable and allows deep customization. It offers 100% open source and is free. It also has self-hosting, very flexible with custom code, API and logic, and it's ideal for technical teams and developers. Though the downside is they are not beginner friendly. It requires setup and there are fewer ready-made templates than Zapier or Make. Now we have Zapier. Zapier, on the other hand, is the most user-friendly automation tool aimed at non-technical users and small businesses. Now, Zapier offers its easiest to use platform. It's great for non-tech users. It also has a massive integration library with over 6,000 plus apps. It is also reliable with polished interface and it's quick to set up basic workflows. The downside is though, it can be expensive at scale and it has a limited flexibility compared to Make and N8N. Now lastly is Make. Make or what you call Make.com or Make AI is a visual automation platform that gives you detailed control over every step and variable. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So Make is offering advanced visual editor with branching logic. It is also powerful and affordable for complex automations, and it can be great with a detailed error handling and execution logs and the balance of depth and usability. The downside is though, it can feel overwhelming to beginners and the UI isn't as polished as Zapier and some integrations are slower to date. Now, if you want to choose N8N if you're a developer or privacy-focused team who wants full control and customization. And choose Make if you want a powerful visual automation with lots of customization and better value. And choose Zapier if you're a non-tech user who needs fast and simple automation with lots of integration.